So if you don't find my latest airdrop, best airdrop on my channel, just click on this pin post and here you will notice this post. Okay, so here we will share with you the more testnet update. I wanted to work with this project more in the morning, and I'm not like I cannot finish the work, so I'm showing you what I work. So click on this post and here it will be pop up. So click this link, main link, that's only one link that will bring you inside of your browser. And here with my browser I will do desktop in order to efficiency using this website, and after I will connect my wallet into this website, and after I will start my work. That's what I need to do in order to being eligible in this airdrop. So I'm connecting my MetaMask into mine. Okay, so here you go. So if we scroll here, I already claimed my voting power. If I'm saying click on this vote now and do vote is of the candidate. Now here if you notice that more Breeze we did, Bubble Swap did, Arbor Finance did, more NFT we are did buy sell NFT on there, blockchain. How do you do that? I'm showing you. So each of these work, if you don't do yet, if you want to do, please watch my previous more testnet video. And today I will show you the next few couple of tasks that you need to accomplish. So graph chain, I'm showing you. Maybe I haven't posted enough in this wallet that I'm connected, but just I will show you how do you accomplish this task. So maybe you have enough posted for using this thing, so click on go to app and go to debt, and here what you need to do is just okay, I'm doing desktop first. And first thing first, connect wallet. Your MetaMask will get permit from you. Click on this next button and confirm. So click on this wrap and win. Okay, you don't need to do anything about this. So here you go. What you need to do is write your a song. So if you don't write anything, just go to ChatGPT and want from ChatGPT lyrics about anything else. Okay, let's say write song about airdrop. Testnet. And it is written. Okay, and I will copy each of this word and I will paste on that cap. Okay, so generate lyrics, click on there and click on this LFG, this voice.
I'm the king of the game, the one and only. My rhymes are sharp, they cut like a machete.
Okay. So that's enough. Click on this LFG. Your image on here. Let's say just put a random sheet here. I haven't this enough Ethereum, therefore I cannot do this thing. Okay, you do this. If you want to publish your lyrics, you need to have this amount of Ethereum, 0.7. Okay, and click on this button and it will be done. So now we'll come back in the next section. So the next one is ping pong. Okay, click on there, go to there. I already showed you ping pong video in the previous days. Okay, so here we go. Desktop mode. What you need to do here is just connect your wallet here. Connect your wallet. And interact with their website. Sign message, and MetaMask will get notified by your attempting. Sign in and done. Work done. So now go to this point button, and here connect wallet. Motherfucker isn't yet connected. Okay, so click on this connect button again, and click on here for getting whole screen network. Morpholesky, and click on this, and here you need to getting some positive. You need to accomplish some task like Twitter, Discord, and after that you need to stack. Okay, so click on this verify button after following them in Twitter, and after that it will be verified. Okay, and you will get some point on there. Okay, Twitter is bind already. Follow on them. If I go back on exactly their one page, main page, where we need to, okay, we are verified. Now you need to join their Discord, same way as you did this Twitter. Okay, so what we need to do is just go there. Okay, go there Discord and bind your Discord with ping pong, and after join their Discord. So I'm in now outside of ping pong. So here the new tab and join on Discord, because my Discord is in my website, my browser. I'm not wanting to join by my apps browser. Okay, so again it's happening. Maybe I need to do desktop mode in order to joining their Discord server. Okay, I'm doing that, and here we go. Accept invite, and it is loading. Wait a few minutes. So here this we are joined already. I'm just joining anyway. Okay, there is no verification option here. Maybe that's great. Okay, come back on their main page. Click on this verify button, and madam, your Discord need to be authorized by ping pong. Bind Discord. Okay, already bind. So verified. Go to market. So climbed here we see get couple of climbed MGRT MLPT. Okay, click this climb button here. Okay, click on there. Your MetaMask will get notified by your climbing attempt, but my network is gone. So anyhow, only and wait a few minutes here, not few seconds, and click on this confirm button, and your climb done will be climbed after tapping on climb. However, here you will see the noticed that climbed successfully. Okay, now what you need to do is going to breeze option. Now come back in breeze, and here is mgrt token select, and it is in holy key, and we want to move this token into more testnet. So 55 mgrt we have. Okay, so let's say I want to transfer 27. Click on this approve button. MetaMask will get notified again by your attempt. Keep in mind, the more you use these apps, the more will point you will get from the airdrop. Okay, so that is approving still. If you noticed here, still approving. So wait a couple of minutes here. We are already did, and now we want to do another token. So click on this token button, and second one, yeah, same number of 27. Click on here, and I'm able to share with you ping pong, ping pong tutorial here because I have faucet, and I'm comfortable to share with you this thing because it's in my control. Okay, here is you are noticing that is loading. After finished, it will be green confirm button. So anyhow, let's say we are going to point section here. We already done breeze. Now click on this market option. Okay, and here what you need to do is just dp aggregate stacking. So we we breezed mgrt mlpt into morp testnet. Now we can able to stack this thing. Click on the first on the stack option. Sorry, my network problem. And very soon, okay, I'm waiting for my network. Sorry for that. I'm using my mobile data, therefore it is doing problem. Sorry for that. Okay, we already get. So click here is available to stack your mgrt stack asset mgrt. You will receive everything. It would be pop up here. However, click this max button. We haven't anything here yet. So okay, because of we are not seeing this point because we are in the wrong network. Click on this switch to morph Holisky into your wallet. Okay, and MetaMask would be open after click on this Swiss network. And if you noticed here, if I click on now here max, wait a minute here. Okay, if I refresh this page again, zero. I don't know what is the hell happening here. Reprise. Okay, I already breeze, but okay, I'm breathing again. If it does not work, go to breeze section again, doing breeze in order to having mgrt in more testnet network. Okay, still loading. Click on this confirm button. waiting for the transactions to be confirmed on the chain with an estimated processing time for 1 minute. So wait here 1 minute until that. Wait here. Okay, never quit. The phone charge has gone. So I'm trying to charge my phone. Maybe my sound problem would be. So maybe you hear me or not, but our work would be done. Okay. Sorry for maybe some sound problem would be. I don't know it is sound because my okay. Very successfully now if we go to this market section, if you want to do okay, we already have, if you notice here 55 mgrt, so you need to do this both on. Here is we haven't MLRFPT, but I'm showing you the on. So click on this max or however you want to do the number and go click on this confirm button, and after MetaMask will be pop up Swiss network and approve them. Okay, very simple, straightforward. Okay, so click on this approve button and that is loading. Okay, already done. So same way, do second on. First you need to breeze this thing in the breeze option. Here is the breeze option. Click on this max and switch to Holisky and do breeze. Okay, simple thing to do. And your point would be add on here. Okay, after you're doing that, we already did every task, and now we are come back in the here, and here we go, system of testnet, and here is last club AI. You don't need to do this thing, and T3 I haven't done this work here because I tried. So I'm showing you club AI. It is for just PC. I haven't yet. So T3, it is a trading platform. You can trade. So it's simple as before we done any work in the morph testnet. Okay, t3b.money. So here we go. If we connect wallet here, we can do trade and buy morph testnet token. It's simple, just interact with their trading tools, like have a lot of system. I haven't time to show you those things, but you don't need to do anything crazy amount of thing here. Just interact, just enter their website and see what is there. Okay, and try to do something on there. Okay, you need to click on the sign button, as well as you need to put your email here in order to join there. Okay, trading tools, the trading platform. So anyhow, it is simple. So click on this continue button here. So you need to put your name and your email, and put your email and go to email, put your security code here, your pin code, sorry, your Gmail code here, and after you can interact with their trading tool by morph token. That is as simple as we are done before and those tasks. Okay, so this is the thing, just interact, just testing their blockchain, and that's it. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.